Breakfast is served. Let me show you what I got going on right here. We got two big ass pieces of toast with olive oil on there. Olive oil on toast actually better than butter. Right here, 4 scrambled eggs. These little guys are called magdalenas, and they're like little Spanish breakfast biscuits. Absolutely delicious. I don't think you can get these in the States, unfortunately. And that is a protein shake. Normally I would not start the day with a protein shake, but we're in Spain and the Mediterranean diet is like super carb heavy, a lot of potatoes and bread. Not that much protein in each meal, so I'm getting a head start on my protein goals. Those are the total calories for this meal. A little bit heavy on the fats, but that's coming from the olive oil, which is a healthy fat, so I'm cool with it. What is going on, guys? Welcome to the video. Today I want to tell you about my personal bulking philosophy because I think a lot of guys go about this the wrong way and they stay the same size and never make progress, or they take it to the opposite extreme and they gain like 20 or 30 pounds in 4 months and they just end up getting fat. If you do this the right way though, you can have a six-pack all year round. You might not be shredded all year round, but you can have a six-pack and still slowly build muscle. Alright, so the most important thing, and I cannot stress this enough, is that you want to get somewhat lean before you bulk up. Because right now, if you have some fat covering your abs and you start to bulk up and gain weight, you're just going to start to look worse with your shirt off. Like, yeah, you might put some muscle on, but you're going to get even fatter. And the entire point of going to the gym and working on your diet is to become confident in your body, so it just doesn't make sense. In general, most people should focus on restricting their calories, losing some weight, and getting leaner before they start the bulking process. Now, I'm not saying that every single person who's watching this video should start by cutting, because when I got started in the gym, I was small, I was scrawny, I had no muscle mass, didn't have that much fat either. But if you're someone who looks anything like I used to look, then 100% you should be focused on bulking right now. The other big category of people who should get started by bulking up are people who are on the skinny end of the skinny fat spectrum. So if you're skinny fat, you have some fat covering your abs, but you also have, some muscle in your shoulders and chest, then you should definitely get started by cutting. But if you're skinny fat and you have a little bit of a belly, but you have almost no muscle mass, you have skinny shoulders and arms, skinny legs and back muscles, then you need to get started by bulking up, because if you cut down, yeah, you might lose some of that stomach fat, but you're not going to look good because you have no muscle anywhere in your body. But other than these two categories of people, pretty much everyone else is going to see better progress by getting lean first.
Let's run away from this old town to where we going. I wanna take you somewhere, baby, where it's snowing. We're young and free, let's take a dip into the ocean. Just come with me and we can fix a heart that's broken.
So for lunch, y'all know I gotta stick to a very strict jamon-based diet while I'm here in Spain.
Do you know where the jamon comes from? It's like a legit leg on a pig, just hanging. It's so weird.
These legs are hanging everywhere in Spain. The funny thing is, the pigs here have massive legs.
Yeah.
Like they must be doing a lot of squats.
Pig squats.
Pig squats. All right, so we got this multi-grain baguette, which I'm gonna say is like 250 calories. Then probably like 2 ounces of the jamon iberico, and I also brought another protein shake in this Powerade bottle because who brings shaker bottles when they're traveling? So total for this meal is right up in the corner. And now it's time to hit the gym. We got heavy squat day coming up. I'm trying to get these legs like the ham legs. So I gotta keep my focus on point, gotta get my energy on point. And that's why I decided to partner with Raycon to be the sponsor of today's video. Over the past few months, their new E25 earbuds have become my go-to headphones for the gym and just everyday life because they're so easy to use. When you open up the case, they automatically turn on and pair with your phone. Then when you're done using them, you put them back in. They're going to turn off and start charging again. They get 6 hours of listening per charge, and this case will recharge them 4 times before you have to charge it again, which is insane. They've also increased the bass with this new model, so they really bump in your ear. And something that I like is when they're in your ear, they actually kind of fit in there in a way that isolates outside noise. So when I'm squatting, for example, I don't hear anything else in the gym. I'm just focused. Like, it's no wonder that Julia keeps trying to take these out of my gym bag every single workout.
Yeah, come on, Raycon, send this girl a pair.
But the most amazing part about them is that they actually cost about half the price of other premium earbuds on the market, which honestly doesn't make sense because they're super high quality. If you want to pick some up, you can click that first link in description. They're hooking up all my viewers with 15% off. What you doing, man? So today we're gonna be working with 4 plates, which is 405 pounds, but we're in the kilo zone now, so it might be a little bit more or less than that. And honestly, this is one of my favorite parts of bulking, man. When you're eating more calories and you're eating more carbohydrates, your glycogen stores are full, and that means you're gonna be able to push your strength in the gym a lot more than if you're maintaining your weight or you're cutting. And it's fun to get stronger in the gym, so you wanna take advantage of that. If you've been tuned in, you know I've been working with 405 for the last month or so. I've been kind of stuck on 4 reps, haven't got that 5th rep yet. We're going for it today, but I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit of mind game lifting here in Spain. The squat racks are different, there's no safety bars. I don't know exactly how much weight I'm lifting. What the fuck, man, we still gotta do it though. Four reps again, bro. 4 reps again. Honestly, no excuses. We're gonna keep pushing for that 5th rep. So let me show y'all what I'm looking like shirtless right now, and keep in mind that I'm weighing about 197 pounds right now, which is the heaviest I've ever been. Now I've actually kind of plateaued. I haven't gained weight the last month, so I definitely need to increase my calories. But the point is, this is the heaviest I've ever weighed. I still am confident with the shirt off. Yes, I have good lighting. Yes, I have a pump going, but I maintain a 6-pack all year round, and I'm able to do this because of, well, I'm about to tell you why. So the key stat that you have to keep in mind here is that you can only naturally build about 2 or 3 pounds of muscle per month. And that's if you're someone who's brand new to the gym. Once you've been lifting for 1 or 2 years, that number gets cut in half, and really, realistically, you can only probably put on maybe 1 pound per month. And I'll link some research in the description so you know I'm not just talking shit. And this means that the key thing you have to do to gain weight and not put on fat so you can stay lean is you have to control your rate of weight gain. If you're new to the gym, you want to aim for 3 pounds a month. If you've been lifting for 1 or 2 years, you want to aim for, just 1 or 2 pounds per month. And the way you do this is you download an app like MyFitnessPal on your phone, and when you set up your account, it's going to do a basic calorie calculation for you based on your height and weight and age, and it's going to tell you how many calories you need to be eating to gain about half a pound per week. Then you eat that many calories for a week or 2, and if you're not gaining weight, you have to increase it, eat 200 more calories per day. If you're gaining weight too fast, then you got to do the opposite and eat 200 less calories per day. And then you just keep doing this for a few months, and it's going to put you right at that sweet spot of gaining 2 or 3 pounds per month. And you don't have to be anal here. Honestly, as long as I'm gaining like half a pound per month up to 3 pounds per month, I'm happy with it. It's not an exact science here. It's honestly that simple, man. Don't be a jamoke and just stuff your face and eat everything you want because it's bulking season. Because if you do that, you're going to put on a bunch of fat and you're going to have to spend months cutting back down. If you stick to this sweet spot of weight gain, then you're only going to have to cut for 1 or 2 months to get back down to a lean body that you're really happy with. And the best part about this is that I'm usually bulking for 8 or 9 months of the year. I only have to cut for like 2 or 3 months, which is amazing because you feel better when you're bulking, you have more calories, and life is good.
Let's run away, just you and I, you and I. Now falling down. Let's make a stay.
So, just to prepare yourself, the meal we're about to have is not the healthiest of meals, but it is the best hamburger in the entire fucking world. Oh shit, Julia, they changed the menu. They better still have, they got it right there, the Kevin Bacon. I think Julia legitimately has something wrong with her today. She ordered a salad at the best.
It's not a salad. It's a Thai bowl, and it's healthy.
Here's the thing. See this right here? This is a burger that has bacon and cheese literally baked into the burger. It's from another dimension. It's from another atmosphere. And these are also sweet potato fries. So quick little calorie counting hack for y'all. Goiko Grill is not on my Fitness Pal, so I counted this burger as a double cheeseburger with bacon from Five Guys. I counted these as sweet potato fries from Fuddruckers. And that's a gainer shake because you just don't enjoy an amazing burger like this without a gainer shake. So those are the total calories for the entire meal right there. Hasta luego, mi amigo. Te voy extrañar. Nos vemos pronto. So I'm gonna throw my calories for the day up on the screen.
Wait. I thought we were gonna get ice cream.
Yo, this turned into a cheat day real quick. Shit. I ended up going with some McFlurries from McDonald's because for some reason, just like the cream they use here, the ice cream they use here is so much better than the States. I don't know what the secret is, but now I will put my calories for the day on the screen, my macros, and I was pretty much right on point. Normally I eat 3,400, 3,500 when I'm trying to slowly gain weight. This McFlurry definitely put me over the top a bit, but I'm not gonna stress about it. I'm not gonna sweat because some days you eat over, some days you eat under. It all evens out, and again, as long as you're gaining weight at the right pace, you're doing it right. I know this wasn't the healthiest of days, but a big New Year's resolution of mine is when we get back to Texas in January, I'm gonna make a big effort to eat a lot more vegetables and fruits every single day, no matter if I'm bulking or cutting, because I definitely have been slacking, and it's not responsible of me. I got a lot of y'all watching me. I need to be better. That all being said, I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. If you're kind of confused about what you should be doing in the gym or with your diet, then I would highly recommend you take my physique quiz. I'm gonna put that down, second link in description. That is gonna analyze your body type, and then it's gonna recommend the perfect workout routine and diet plan specifically for you. If you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate you, bro. Give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to all of y'all in the next video. Stay beastly.